gang, it's Stump the eBay grinder here, starting a new week. Today is Sunday, July 9th. Starting out with one sale today. 3 cans of these Rose pork brains in milk gravy. I have 3 cans of them. I sold 3 cans Friday, and I sold 3 cans today. They sell for, I sold them for $20.99 plus shipping and handling. Once you subtract all eBay fees and the cost of them, I actually don't make that much on them, believe it or not. It sounds like a lot, but the good thing is not all stores carry them. In fact, I went for probably 8 months without being able to pick them up because nobody around here carried them no more. But Food Line put them in, so now I'm back to selling them. And we'll see what happens the rest of the day and week. Well, 3 things we've sold today. Sold this nice little plush golden retriever looking puppy. It's a Deco brand, or Deco or whatever. Sold him for $19.99. Sold this bag of thread here. So weighs about 15 ounces. Sold this for $19.99. Sewing stuff. And I sold this Minecraft book bag, brand new with tags. Sold this for $19.99. A book bag and a little lunch pack to go with it. So that's just shy of $60 in today's deal, and we'll be using some of them new shipping things that we're supposed to use. I don't know if, you know, 15.9 ounces less used to go on. Used to be able to put that in a priority box if you wanted to. But now it's been moved over to that ground advantage crap. I don't know if you can use a priority box or if they have to be in, you know, them brown boxes you get from Walmart or eBay or whoever. But anyway, we'll have to find out. We will check you later. I also sold 2 more items today. Sold this Lake Lure Inn and Spa coffee cup. It's green and white. Has a picture or not a picture, but a thing of the Lake Lure Inn kind of on it. From Lake Lure, North Carolina. Sold this, I think, for $10.99. I always put something on the handle, so protect the handle. And it's going to North Carolina. And I sold this NASCAR 15 for the Xbox 360 game. It does have a few scratches on the CD, but it plays on my Xbox 360, but somebody probably won't it because it's Kyle Busch on there. So it's the NASCAR 15 Victory Edition. I think I sold this for $12.99. And when we sell something else, I'll make a video. Okay, I did sell 2 more items, which I actually already have pretty much wrapped up, but I will put a picture up here or somewhere where you can see it. I sold a Racing Game Midnight Club for $10.99. And I sold another racing game. Those are for the Xbox. These are all for the Xbox 360. Formula 1 2014. I sold that for $24.50 plus shipping and handling. It's also the end of the week wrap up. So I've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sales, I believe, totaling a gross amount of $135.53 minus eBay fees, of course, and shipping charges, and the rest goes back to my bank. So been about what I've been averaging here lately, and you know, try to grow up from there, but I'm pretty satisfied with that amount every week for the time being, because I had some pretty rough weeks, as y'all know, last month and month before last. Anyway, so I'm trying to make my videos shorter, so maybe I'll attract more viewers. So with that, I'll see you when we start a new week.